Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make Google Docs background an image. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is this. First you want to select the image. So my image is on this place. So if I go on this PC and if I go on over here where it says pictures, screenshot, I want to use this image as my background image. So what I need to do is after I see the image, what I need to do is go on my Google Doc, click on over here where it says insert at the top right corner, click an image. Over here, I need to click on upload from computer. After I do that, I can select the image which I want like this. And then the image is going to appear over here like this. And once the image appears over here, what I need to do is I can click on the image and choose this option called behind text. Once I choose behind text, I can then again resize this image into the size of the page like this. And as you guys can see, the text is above the image. So you just need to do this. Just make sure the size is big like this. And if it is not going like, full page, you can always do this. Click on this. Click on over here where it says fixed position on page. Now you can make it as big as your page, just like this, as you guys can see. But yeah, that is basically how you guys can make Google Docs background an image. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.